Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, AUD CAD as I call it for 4th March 2021. Thursday only. So this analysis is for Thursday only. Tomorrow you'll be seeing me again with tomorrow's analysis and tomorrow's strategy. But this analysis is for 4th March only. Okay, so let's jump to the chart. So you can see that I have drawn few lines on the chart. Okay, right now market is trading at 0.9865. This is the current market price CMP. Okay, so if you are a safe trader, if you want to look, if you are looking for safe trades, okay, then you have got two levels. Okay, first level is this and second level is this. Okay, if market comes down and hits this level 0. Okay. Wait, let me take the pencil. Okay, if market and hits this level 9788, okay, and if you see some good price rejection from below, okay, then you can initiate a buy order here. If market comes down, okay, comes down, and if you see the market is reversing from here and with some good volume or price rejection from below, then you can initiate the buy order here. Okay, and if you see that, okay, there is some sudden heavy selling pressure on the market, there is a big red candle, some sudden heavy selling pressure, okay, at that point of time you can short the market here also below 9788 level. On the other hand, wait for the market to go to this level. If market reverses from this level, okay, market may face some price rejection from above because this is a resistance. If market faces price rejection from above and market starts coming down, you can short the market here. On the other hand, if market goes up, crosses the resistance, let the market sustain above the resistance for at least 1 hour. Let the resistance become the support, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, so if you are a safe trader, you should be looking for these two levels. On the other hand, if you are looking for some quick profit, then you can also trade between this range. Okay, right now there is not much volatility in the market. Okay, market kind of in a range bound market. So what you can do, okay, you just keep your eyes on stochastic RSI indicator. Okay, when stochastic, right now stochastic RSI is here. Okay, so this is not a right position. Okay, let stochastic RSI come down. Okay, when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone. Okay, and after hitting the oversold zone, when it will be going up again, just look at the position of the price. If you find the price somewhere around here, this level 98256, you can go long or you can go for a quick profit. Okay, from here to here. Or if the price comes down to this level and you see that after hitting this level market is consolidating, okay, not in the mood to go down further, then also you can go ahead and buy, okay, for some quick profit. Otherwise these two are the levels, and for aggressive traders you can buy somewhere around here because after some time when market will be coming down here. Okay, so this is the simple strategy that you can use for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 4th March 2021. Okay, so if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for analysis of other currency pairs for today. Thank you so much and do subscribe. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.